For those of you who are here, I do have a mixed ability group today, which is secondary 1, 2, primary 6, primary 3 even. So please bear with us. Do not spam or disrupt the class. If you are not really want to learn, then you can just leave the class quietly and I'll be fine with that. Okay, but if you want to learn, you are more than welcome to be here and just participate. Okay, so later when I throw out the questions, you want to click the answers is fine, but please try your best to answer it correctly. How many of you are in Sec 1 and Sec 2? You can raise your hand. Go to participants or group chat and raise your hands. Participants, you click on participants, you can raise your hand. If you raise your hand, I can see. And some of you should rename yourself so that I can see what your real name is, like SE, what's your real name? So I'll give you a chance to rename yourselves. That will take just 30 seconds, right? Click on your name, click on the blue button, click rename and quickly get your name sorted. If you can't do it, tell me, I will help you. Suan, okay, Suan is there. SE became Suan, thanks very much, Suan, welcome. Suan, I believe, are you there, Suan? Hi, Suan. I actually unmuted you to just say hi, so I can hear your voice. At least I can make out if you are a girl or a boy, but I believe you're a girl. Am I right? If I'm wrong, please let me know in the chat so that I can change. Yeah, okay, Suan says, it's very noisy at my place and you'll rather be muted. Okay, good. Chia-Chi, you raised your hands as well. You are in secondary school, I suppose. Good, then you're gonna participate in today's class. How about you, Bala? Bala, what level are you in? If you do not wish to speak, you can type your answers to me. The chat is right here. Okay, you can type your answers. I can see everybody's answers right in front of my screen. So please communicate somehow, either by voice.
I'm Sec 2.
Okay, hi Bala, Sec 2, okay. Okay, how about you, Cheryl? What level are you in? Sec 1, Cheryl, Sec 1. Okay, I've come across everyone. Joel, I know. Remy, how about you, Remy? Suan is in Sec 2, great. Remy and Travis are the only ones I haven't asked yet, and Lydia is just gotten in now. Those who are coming in, please introduce yourself. If you can unmute yourself, just let me know what level you are in. Just tell me, oh, I'm in Sec 1, I'm in Sec 2, that's it. Or you're in primary school also. Any level that you're in, just introduce yourself by telling me your level. You don't even have to tell me your name. So that I can hear some live voices, so we can warm up the class as usual. Okay, guys, are we ready? Looks like we have a sizable amount of students, number of students, more than enough. Sec 1 and Sec 2 make my day. Otherwise, at the beginning, we just started with some primary school students in here. I was a bit scared already, like, oh no, I'm going to like just do Sec 1 topics for primary school students. Where is this going to lead, right? Okay, so that you're here. Now I'm going to get some active participation because you're going to know what I'm doing exactly because it's in your content and also you're able to participate actively. Okay, so let's start. I would like you to log in to your 88tuition portal and just browse through to the page of mock exams. Okay, I'm sure you must have done it. Today's lesson is supposed to be revising the mock exam paper questions. And in order to do that, you need to be able to browse and find the paper. So you got to show me that you are able to find the paper. Okay, this time round, I'm going in my primary school class, right? I actually showed them how to find the paper. If any one of you are feeling enthusiastic enough to share your screen, right? I'm going to allow you to share. That means, right, what you have to do is share your screen, secondary 1 science, and show me or show everyone here that you can get to the mock exam. Okay, so go and try it out on yourself. And once you're confident, right, just raise your hand, type in the chat, say, Dr. Ali, I'm ready to share my screen. Can you allow me to share my screen? I'll allow you to share your screen and show everybody how it's done. Is that clear? Okay, something different. Okay, very rarely do you get to share your screen. So let's try it. All right, Aloysius, you can share screen? Can. I will let you try. Let me see. Okay, if you want to, you click on the share screen button and you try. Aloysius. Okay, we are all seeing Aloysius' screen right now. Aloysius is going to science, and then he's clicking topic map, and then he goes to click the mock papers, and he can't see the mock papers. Okay, so actually Aloysius got in touch with me to say that he can't see the mock papers, but this is the way you get to the mock papers. Okay, he's in primary 3, and he's supposed to see his mock papers here, which he can't. So I've asked the team to actually sort it out for him. Aloysius, I'll get back to you on this. Okay, now Aloysius, do you know how to stop sharing? Do you know how to stop sharing? It's right at the bottom. You just press the red color button to say stop sharing. Okay, done. So let me go back to mine. All right. So you can see my screen right now, right? Right. The rest, Chachi, you cannot. So you go. Who can? Then you can show the class. Who else can? And then we'll see whether the mock papers actually can be seen. Mine is slightly different. Later, I'll show you at the end. If none of you are going to be able to do it, I'll show you. Anybody else can see, can do it. You can share your screen. I actually allow you to share your screen. So what you can do is, fastest fingers first. You're confident, right? Just click that share screen button. Your screen will come up and everybody can see you. Everybody can see your screen. Anybody else? Harsh. Okay, Harsh, can you share your screen? Then you can show everyone how it's done. Okay, I've done stop sharing. Your turn. It will be great, Harsh, if you also activate your voice and to show people what you're actually doing. So some people here actually do not know where to find the mock papers.
1 minute, sorry, 1 minute.
Okay. So that everyone else can also find out where to find these papers. Because following today's class, right, I need all of you to go and continue doing this paper because in the coming months, we'll be doing questions from here. So this is a very important step today in order for you to be able to find. Yeah.
Can everyone hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Can you see my, I can't see my screen. Sorry.
No screen.
Share. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So you go to Science Secondary 1 topic map. Then on the
Go
right
slower,
hand side,
go back and go slower and highlight the stuff that they need to click, because some students actually don't know where to click. Okay, so now you are here. Where
if
should
you go
you
to
go? Red color circle.
red circle, the topic map, you click on it, and then you go to the right hand side, and then you click on mock papers, and there you have mock papers are there.
Okay.
Mhm.
In this page, you have a lot of mock papers, right? But most of the Sec 1 students should be able to see only their level mock papers. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Harsh. You can end screen share now.
Wait. Okay. I've ended it. Thanks. Is that all?
Yeah, that's it. Thanks. Okay, let's mute everyone, and then let's look at my screen. Hopefully all of you can see the screen. As I said earlier, I will be monitoring your comments in the chat. If you want to chat, please let me know what your feedback as I'm doing through the lesson. Okay, so let's do what was taught to me. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to click topic map, right? So this is what I should click. Ready, go. Okay. And then I should see all these are all the topics that I can try out. I'm sure all of you know what this does, right? Whichever topic that you're doing in school, you click on it, like chemical composition of matter. You can select an option. When you say learn by topic, then you will find the videos of the lessons, which are short as though you are in the classroom. So you will actually learn the lesson proper, and you will also get an opportunity to try the questions, right? Whereas create adaptive worksheet is like the higher level questions where you want to challenge yourself. So then this is what happens, and you can choose your skill level by beginner all the way to expert, and ask the computer to give you some questions based on this topic. What some students don't know is you can actually mix topics. Okay, so I can actually click two topics like this. Can you see? So many of the students thought you can only ask topic by topic. That would be like your assessment book, because you can go topic by topic only in your assessment book. Whereas here, it's a dynamic process, a computer, you can do many things. So you can actually combine a few topics and say, hey, you know what? I'm having a test where my teacher told me to study 3 topics, and I want to test myself for 3 topics. So you can just choose skill level. Hopefully, for test, you should choose expert level, right? Or if you want to start slow, you can actually try beginner and go all the way to expert. But if you really want to do well in your tests, you should at least be able to try the advanced and specialist and expert levels for you to be able to be well prepared. Okay, so if you click on that, for example, I click on advanced, I can ask the number of questions to be given to me. Most likely, if I'm going to choose so many topics, I preferably click 10 questions. Okay, at least 10 questions, right? And you will be given your 10 questions. Okay. Here it's more than 10 because mine is admin login, right? My admin login actually throws out all the questions because I'm the one putting these questions in. Okay, so these are the questions that will be shown to you. For example, here for advanced question, I have 32 questions, right? You won't get all 32, but you will get 10, so that we can score you upon 10. And when you go back and you restart and you try a few more, maybe you are not, and then you mark yourself, or the computer marks, and then it says you are not so good in, or you realize you're not so good in models of cells. Then you can just click models of cells, and you can go for maybe start from skill level, slightly lower, and then give yourself 10 questions and try. So this is how you get to improve in topics that you're weak in. Try to do and focus only on questions and topics that you're weak in, and that will really improve your scores when you are preparing for your exams. Okay, we are nearing exam time already. So I will highly suggest that you go and try out questions here. So my mode of operation for the next few weeks for looking you guys up on live class will be to click here on the right hand side, mock paper. Okay, as I mentioned, this is my admin login. Therefore, I will see all my papers in science with regard to all the levels because I handle all the levels. But you, on your end, will only be able to see number 5. Focus your eyes on number 5. That's S1 science paper, mock paper, science final paper 2. Or if you're in Sec, you should see S2 final year mock paper, and the questions are very different. Okay, so today I'm going to start. So my objective